Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu soaked a piece of cloth and put it on himself while fasting, and Shabi entered the bath while fasting. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, "There is no harm in tasting curry or any other thing." Hassan said, "There is no harm in gargling, rinsing the mouth, and cooling the body." Hazrat Ibn Masud radiyallahu anhu said, "When any one of you is fasting, he should get up in the morning with oiled and combed hair." Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu said, "I have a pond in which I take a bath while fasting." It is stated about the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam that he used to brush his teeth with miswak while fasting. Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu said, "A man can brush his teeth with miswak at the beginning or at the end of the day, but he should not swallow the saliva." Atta says, "If saliva goes down the throat, I will not say that the fast has become void." Ibn Sirin says, "There is no harm in using fresh miswak." It was said to him, "It has a taste." He said, "Water has also taste, but you gargle with it." Hazrat Anas, Hassan and Ibrahim Nakhai did not see any harm in a fast observing means applying collyrium. It is reported from Urwa and Abu Bakr that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam would get up in the morning during Ramadan, take a bath, not owing to a nocturnal discharge but due to practicing coitus, and keep fast. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1930.